Good morning, student. Today, in English grammar, we will read chapter 6 Special Names. Now, before this chapter, we read naming words. In chapter 5, we read naming words. Naming words are the names of person, place, animals, and things. The name of a person, place, animal, and things are known as naming words. Now, today we will read about special names. See, in this picture, you can see so many things. You can see a boy, there is a girl, there is a dog, animal. These all are person. Boy, girl, these are person. This is a dog. This is animal. Here are kite, trees, ball. This comes under things. So person, place, this is a playground. Person, place, animal, and thing. These are known as naming words. Now we will read about special names. Now persons has also special name, like we call it boy. Boy, he is also a boy, he is also a boy, he is also a boy, here is also a boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boys are there in this playground. But this is a common name. This is a common name for a person. Boy is a common name for a person. Boy. And the name of this boy, if I say the name of this boy, if I say boy, so anyone can come from here. If I will call a boy, suppose I will call up one boy come here, so anyone can come. He can also come, he. But if I will say Ravi, come here, suppose the name of this boy is Ravi, so only Ravi will come. Then only Ravi will come, because Ravi is the special name for him. Each and every person in this world has a special name. All of you have a special name. So, did you understand what is special name? Boy is a common name and Ravi is the special name for him. Like this girl will also be having a special name. This boy also. This ground also. Okay. Have you see? Let's see. I have written some examples for you to differentiate between common name and special name. Boy is a common name. If I will say Ravi, then it is a special name for this boy. Girl, Hiya is a special name for a girl. Dog, all of you have kept a special name for your pet. Suppose Tommy. So Tommy is the special name. Place, there are so many places. Pauri, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Nagpur, Goa. So many places are here. But Pauri is a special name for a place. River, there are so many rivers. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Alaknanda is the special name for a river which flows in Srinagar. Newspaper, so many newspapers are here. Times of India, Dainik Jagran, Hindustan, Times. So Times of India is a special name for a particular newspaper. Festivals, there are so many festivals. Diwali, Dashera, Christmas, Holi. So Christmas is the special name of a festival. Day, there are so many days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday is the special name for a day. So did you know? Can you now differentiate between common name and special name? In previous chapter we read about naming words. Naming words are the name of person, place, animal or thing. These are naming words. Now we can give the special name to a person, animal, place and thing. Okay. So today you will read this chapter spatial name, and tomorrow we will do the exercise of it. Today in your copy you will note down this in your copy. First you will write today's date, chapter 6 spatial name, and then you can write some examples that can tell you about common name and spatial name. Here you will write the common name, and in front of it you will write a spatial name for it. Like this you can write other example also of month, place. Okay.